So Apple in its Glowtime event along with Apple Watch Series 10 also launched its new color of the Ultra Watch 2. Before we tell you the specs, let's tell you the price. Well, this one is mainly designed for the athletes. Apple has stated that the Apple Watch Ultra 2 will start at rupees 89,900 rupees. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be available from September 20th. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 will be available in satin black with a scratch-resistant case and matching black titanium pads with the parachute-style lock-in mechanisms. The new Watch Ultra 2 includes dual-frequency GPS and advanced positioning software, offering the users better GPS performance in any sports watch. Ultra 2 supports a range of athletic activities with matrix views and custom workouts for runners, cyclists, and swimmers. The watch also provides features like automatic stroke detection, lap counts, and new training loads insights, making it ideal for athletes who need precise workout controls, such as through the action button and longer battery life for endurance events. The Ultra 2 also comes with capabilities like a depth gauge for diving, offline map with custom routine creation, and turn-by-turn navigation for hikers for adventurers. It includes an advanced compass app with essential data like latitude, longitude, and waypoint navigation, perfect for day trips or extended treks. For water activities, Ultra 2 is equipped with a depth sensor, automatic stroke detection, and lap count features, enhancing the swim workout experience. Apple has introduced the finish of Ultra 2 in satin black finish, like we told you, with Apple highlights has been achieved through a custom blasting process with a diamond-like carbon PVD coating for enhanced crash resistance and durability. It is constructed from 95% recycled grade 5 titanium commonly used in the aerospace industry. Watch Ultra 2 also comes updated bands including the new titanium Milanese loop and available in both natural and black finishes with the corrosion resistant elegant design. So this was all about the Apple's new Watch Ultra 2.